Rolling. Okay. Hot sauce challenge.
Hot sauce challenge.
Beef jerky outlet, York, PA.
Beef jerky outlet.
Okay, we're going with the Reaper smoked beef jerky,
Right.
dipped in Mad Dog 357 Plutonium, 9 million Scoville units. That's the warning label.
Extreme heat warning, do not consume directly. Food additive only. The beef jerky outlet in York,
Open
Pennsylvania
in the bag.
is not being held responsible for any of this.
Nope, we're doing it on our own.
It is on our own. They are not liable.
He's crazy.
Right here. Cracking it right now. Cracking it right now.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh my God.
There
Okay.
you go. Remember, there's kids there. That's right. Don't grab it. There you go. Dip in the piece.
It's like a wax.
Yeah, but
If you can see it in there, get some of that wax on there.
Oh yeah.
Get a little bit of that.
You got it.
See?
Right,
It's on a piece of Reaper jerky.
Ghost Reaper jerky.
There.
All
Right
go
here.
ahead. Get it. Is it hot? Do we have to do it again?
No, we don't have to do this again.
I'm not doing it again? No. That's what I'm talking about. All right. For 20 seconds.
Water. He's
No.
probably gonna want
We got 20 seconds into it.
trying to give me water. Give me
Heat.
whiskey.
Can you feel the heat? Is it hot? Yeah. Good. You all right?
That endorphin rush.
Yep. All right, 40 seconds in.